don't like watching train wrecks entranced by falling stars. They are only needed when they fall apart. Our life without scandal, nearly all routine. There's one thing I can count on, waiting at home for me. And I know we aren't that young, but I like who we've become. I don't like feeling frail when I first wake up. I don't like feeling aches and pains whenever I'm not drunk. I guess I'll never really quit smoking cigarettes. I guess I really sleep enough or exercise to stay fit. And I don't know how long I'll live, but I enjoy every minute with you, 'cause I just like who you've become. Everyone finds someone, maybe I found you. Everyone finds someone, baby, I found you. I don't like when it's overcast. I don't like when it rains. I don't like when I miss you, like light on gloomy days. I don't like to get angry and drive old friends away. I wish she could forgive me for saying what I said. At least I know we still share a bed, and I know where I'll rest my head tonight. It's just a fight, and then it's done. I still love who we've become.